Hey our friends, today we're going to draw a TacoSaurus.
Hey parents and teachers, did you know we have a special place to draw without any ads or distractions? You can watch all of our lessons on artforkidshub.tv or in our official app available on Apple, Android, Roku, and more. It's the best way to draw together as a family or in the classroom anytime, anywhere, and without interruptions. Check it out and subscribe at artforkidshub.tv. Here's a quick preview of how our drawings turned out at the very end.
Yeah, this one was a lot of fun.
Yeah, and I hope you're really excited to follow along with us. We used our markers to draw in color with, but you can use whatever you have.
Yeah, like crayons or colored pencils.
All right, you ready to start?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's first draw the shell for our dinosaur or our TacoSaurus. We're gonna draw an upside down letter U, and I'm drawing it kind of big, or rainbow line. And you could draw it, yeah, in the middle of your paper. There you go. That's a small taco shell. You gotta draw a little bigger.
Yes.
So yeah, you can come down further. Yep. Yeah, there you go. Okay, now on this side, let's curve. We're gonna curve it coming under, like that. Yeah, and then over here, we're gonna draw it curving forward. So we've got two curves going to the left. Okay, then we're gonna draw the bottom of the shell. We're gonna come back just a little. And then we're gonna draw the first leg for a dinosaur. I know we're kind of drawing this weird. Usually we start with the face or the head.
Yeah.
But this time we're starting with our taco and also the legs coming out of the shell. So we've got two lines going down. Then we're gonna draw the foot curving around and then connecting to the back. Let's do that same thing over here. Two lines, and we wanna draw them the same distance apart that we drew over here. Nice job. Yeah, two lines, separate. And then we can draw the foot curving around and connecting to the back. Okay, now let's imagine, oh yeah, there you go. Now let's imagine this line going underneath for the belly. Oh, I like how tall this one is. It's awesome. Maybe he's walking down a hill.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna draw the belly. We're gonna imagine it going through, and we're gonna draw it connecting over here to the other side. And you're trying to draw it connecting up to here. So if you imagine that coming through.
It's kind of diagonal.
Yeah, it's going diagonal too, which works.
Yeah.
And look at mine. Mine's also kind of higher than this one too.
Oh yeah.
It works out. Okay, now let's draw another foot back here to make it more 3D. So you could draw it kind of short too, so that it's not longer. You want it the same length as the back one. And then we're gonna draw it curving around for the foot and then connecting to the back. Okay, if we have enough room up here at the front, let's do another one here too for the other, so that we have 4. And I went fast because I'm just repeating the same steps. Then let's add toe lines. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. 2 on each foot. Now let's draw all of the stuff inside of our taco. First, we're gonna add the lettuce. I'm gonna draw a bumpy line going around and coming over to there. Now we're gonna add more stuff inside our taco, but let's save that for later. Now we're gonna draw the rest of our dinosaur. Let's draw the neck. I'm gonna start here, and we can curve out of the bottom of our taco, and we'll curve up to there. Now this is the fun part. We're gonna get really crazy. We're gonna draw the dinosaur head, and we're gonna draw it starting on the neck. We're gonna curve around really big, but watch, I'm gonna keep going, and we're gonna draw the neck going into the taco shell.
Oh.
Yes, that's awesome. And then we could also draw our dinosaur eyes. I'm gonna draw 2 right here. And we should also give him a mustache, huh?
Oh yes,
Okay.
because he's a TacoSaurus.
Yeah, TacoSaurus. So I'm gonna draw an S curve coming out to the side, and then also an S curve coming out to this side. We'll give him a fancy mustache.
Yeah.
And then we can draw the bottom of the mustache. We'll start on the end and curve into the middle on both sides. Then let's color in our mustache. Next, let's add the tail. We're gonna draw it curving out of the right side of our taco. And you can curve up. And then let's curve back in, but get thicker before you go in back into the taco. Yes, okay, now let's add more stuff to our taco. First, I'm gonna add some beef right here.
Ooh, the beef.
Yeah, and I'm gonna add beef over here too on this side. Then we can add, oh yeah, there you go. And then add tomatoes. If you don't like tomatoes, you could leave this off.
Oh yeah,
I'm
I
gonna
love
add-
tomatoes.
Yeah, I like tomatoes on my taco. I got 3 tomatoes. Then we can add cheese, more lettuce. Let's add more lettuce. You could add cheese, you could add whatever you want. I'm gonna draw these little bumpy lines and then connect there. We did it! We finished our TacoSaurus, except we still need to
Color it.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video if you want to match our same coloring. Oh, also you could add more things to your TacoSaurus. More ingredients.
Yeah.
And, oh, maybe a sombrero hat.
Oh yes, or some sour cream.
Sorry. All right, let's fast forward. Awesome, we did it. We finished coloring our TacoSaurus and it turned out awesome. No, it really does look like a mix between a dinosaur and a taco.
Yeah.
Actually, it kind of looks like there's a dinosaur inside of my taco and he's wearing this as pajama feet.
Or it's his costume for
Oh yeah,
Halloween.
costume. You can pause the video right now to match your same coloring.
Or you can color it any way you want.
Yeah, you could also add a background. I like that we added little spots on the taco shell and also the dinosaur.
I also like the shadow that we added.
Yeah, it makes it look more 3D.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a TacoSaurus.
We do. See you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Did you know we've got a whole series of how to draw books? We teamed up with DK to create 6 amazing titles, each one packed with fun, step-by-step lessons. The print quality is so amazing and they're really affordable too. We're so grateful for DK and excited to share these with your family. Grown-ups, you can learn more and grab your copies by clicking the link in the description below.